We are now in the second half of our journey of letters. So, what do we have? Two Arabic letters with their two cousins. The cousins have no counterpart in English. New useful vocabulary and quizzes. Stay tuned. Welcome. I am Abdurrahman, and behind the camera my wife Ala, the Arabic teacher, and you are watching Arabicing. We have in this lesson 4 letters. These two letters, da, sa, have counterparts in English, but their cousins do not. Da, sa. Let's take a closer look at the first letter. The sound is da, and its name is Dal. Dal. We find this letter in Jad, which means grandfather. Also, Dub, which means bear. Now, how to write the letter? This is Dal, separate and cursive. And this is the letter within words. Jad, Dub. We can notice that the letter Dal is somehow similar to the letter Ra, which we've studied in the lesson 1, but it has an angle, unlike Ra, which is a part of circle without any angles. Now to another type of similarity. Listen. Da, 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 da. Da, dal, which you have just studied, while da, dad is the new letter. And because of similarity in pronunciation, you can call it as a cousin of the letter dal. This letter, dad, has no counterpart in English. Let's compare between these two letters. When we pronounce dal, we put the front of tongue touch to the top of the upper teeth and touch to hard palate. And the tongue width is normal and the airflow is from the front of the tongue. While when we pronounce dad, we should put the front of the tongue back of the point of the letter dal, and the width of the tongue is wider than that in the letter dal. Also, the tongue touches the teeth gently, so the air will flow from the 3 sides of the tongue. The Arabic letter is commonly known as the language of Dad because it is the only language that has this letter. It is fortunate maybe to find these two letters, Dal, Dad, alone in the word Dod, which means against. Dod. Now, how to write the letter? Let's see. This is Dad, cursive and separate. Let's see the letter within these two words. Daw, which means light. Ard, which means floor and also means the earth. Let's move to the next letter. Its sound is sa, sa, like the first letter in smile, and its name is Sin. We can find the letter in Jaras, which means bell, and Sama, which means sky. This letter is written like this, cursive and separate. And this is the letter within words. Jaras, Sama. The letter Sin is a cousin of our very next letter, Ssad, because of similarity of pronunciation. This is the final letter for today, and its sound is Sa, Sa, while Sa, Sa, Sin, Sa, Sa, Sad. In English, we can find a similar sound in some words, like sun and bus. We don't say sun, bus. There is different sounds here, right? This is our letter Sad. We can find it in Sabah, which means morning, and Qisas, which means stories. Now, How to write the letter? This is Ssad, cursive and separate. And this is the letter within words. صباح قصص. I think that you have noticed that the difference between Ssad and Dad is only the point, but actually we did not consider them as a cousins because we concentrated more on similarity in phoneme instead of similarity in shape. Now let's review the letters of this lesson. You will see on the screen a letter. Try to pronounce the sound of the letter. When time's up, you will hear the sound of the letter. Repeat the sound to make it easier for you to remember. But first, let's listen to them once. ض ضاد س سين ص صاد د دال. Now to the quiz. د دال ض ضاد ص صاد س سين. Second and final quiz is here. You will hear the sound of a letter. Then our 4 letters will appear on the screen. Choose the appropriate letter. Let's start. ض ضاد ض ص صاد ص س سين س د دال د. We have also some quizzes online. The link is in the comment box. Try to solve them all and let's see your comment down and on our Facebook page. We are pleased to announce our new website at www.arabiking.com. The website provides some good services like the ability for you to contact us and easily accessing the lessons in order. And you can also visit our other social media links. Thank you for watching the video to the end. See you in the next lesson.